Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use your phone as a webcam in your PC. So for that you just need one software, because without a software you cannot use a webcam. So that software name I will tell in this video, as it is lockdown and we cannot go to buy a webcam, and what is expensive. So that's difficult for us to buy a webcam in the lockdown. So handful shops might be open. I don't know about that idea, but today in this simple video you will use a webcam at your home. You will make a webcam at your home using this simple software, and you don't have to code anything in that. Everything will be code, and you just have to type the numbers given in that, and basically you just have to type that numbers for the webcam to conduct with us. Okay, so there will be three methods: Wi-Fi port, USB, and the Wi-Fi. Basically our Wi-Fi seldom it is connected to the computer through Wi-Fi in your phone. So you're going to use your phone. You can also use as USB, but if you take my opinion, you should use as a Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, it will be easy, and you can take any 360-degree rotating anywhere. So let's start the video. So for that you have to go to your PC and download an application, Droid Cam. Its name is Droid Cam. Okay, so that when you will do, you will take your iPhone or your mobile phone, and this basically you just have to go Play Store. You will just have to go there and type Droid Cam. Its logo would be like this robot. So I have downloaded. You can download it. 5 million have downloaded this. Open. So when you will open it, it will give you your phone like this. Wait. It is gonna give your phone this code. Can you see? 192.168. This one. Okay. You get it. Then you go to computer and download the same application, Droid Cam, over there. Click on it, and it will say your device IP, this, and you have to type your Wi-Fi IP. It is given in my phone 192.168.100.14. So let me type 2.168.100.14, and then add it down. It will say Droid Cam port. So in the phone it will also give a Droid Cam port 4747, and this type. So then you have typed everything. Click on this. Start. You can see the streaming would be going on like this. This camera, wherever it goes, it will show where all it is going. See, I'll put my phone wherever it would be. Like I put it here. Okay, like this. My phone is kept on here like a CCTV camera, so I would be shown here. Let me show you. Like this, my part would be kept and I would be seen here. You can also use it as a CCTV camera. For much tutorial like this, do let me subscribe my channel and type over there, comment anything. I'll make a tutorial on it because I'm sitting here just for you. Bye.